Today we're going to be looking at how you swap the mag release on the Glock pistol. As you can see, the magazine release is on the factory side, the left side. All you're going to want to do is disassemble the pistol, look down in the mag well, and you're going to see this vertical pin here. And what you're going to want to do is push that pin over until it releases out of this little slot here. Make sure when you're doing this, you're not prying on this ejector piece on the trigger mechanism. You're going to take a flathead screwdriver and push it over until it releases from that notch. And I took a pair of needle nose and just pulled that pin right out. Now here's what the pin looks like when it's out of the gun. All you're going to do is push on the mag release and pull it from the opposite side. Flip the gun over and insert the mag release back in with the push button first. And as you can see, now it is on the opposite side. Now in reverse, all you're going to do is push that pin back in and make sure it's flush with that notch. That's how you'll know it's fully seated, plus you'll just feel it. And I just take my flathead, sorry about the shaky camera work, and push that right back in. I give it a few presses to make sure that it's working correctly. And now your mag release is on the opposite side for all you left-handed people out there.